Hello everyone, this is Sobi. Remember me from Sobi Sells Dear Properties here in Sosúa, Dominican Republic. So I want to show you this beautiful one-bedroom townhouse that I have for sale in Cabarete East. Here on the first floor, it has half a bathroom, which is very convenient. So you don't have to go upstairs. Very spacious living area. Here's the kitchen area, air conditioning, brand new air conditioning, all kitchen appliances, and everything that you see here will stay with the unit. It comes completely furnished. Now I want to show you the large balcony with ocean view. And this is the beach here in East Cabarete. Absolutely beautiful. You can walk for over a mile on that beach. It's so pretty. Here's the other side of the balcony. And we're going back inside. So as I say, this comes completely furnished. Everything you see comes with the unit, and this beautiful unit was just reduced to $134,000 US for a quick closing. Now let's go upstairs. And this is a super spacious bedroom. Beautifully decorated. Also, there's air conditioning here. Very high ceilings. And here we have another balcony with ocean view where you can enjoy your morning coffee. Check out the view from here. Absolutely beautiful. This is a super cute unit. Reach out to me today with any question or to schedule your private showing. Have a wonderful day, everyone.